everybody, it's Travis and Kathy behind the camera. Thank you, from the Steel Magnolia in Lower Alabama. This is another product that we have started using and I wanted to share it with you. And so this is one of these collapsible ladders, and I entertained the purchase of several different models, and this is the one I decided on. It's available in an 8-foot, a 10-foot, and a 12-foot, and comes in a couple of different automated versions. Let me show you how this works. It's pretty light. I think it weighs 22 pounds. And this is just your securing strap. Okay. And the way you open this up, if I'm going to extend it, is that you start to pull, and you pull, and you pull, and you pull. Okay, now that is all the way extended. So, and I don't have rubber bumpers on there to protect the finish yet, but I am able to get up and sweep and clean and do whatever while this thing is up. And all of that's real important to me. Now, to retract it and drop it is a pretty unique thing. And this is where you have certain models that you unclick each one of these and this drops like a bullet to the next level. I didn't like that. I wanted something a little safer. So basically I got two buttons here. I push those. And I'm just gonna lay my hand on it. It just steady goes down. And that's done, which is all pretty neat. Now, if you only wanted to extend it, say, up this high, you don't need it to go all the way up. What you do is start at the first rung above your latches, and you pull that out, and then you pull the next one out, and you pull this one out, and I want one more height. Now, the last thing you do is grab the next one and pull it up halfway till you hear it click. And when you hear it click, all of that is now locked into position. Okay? Otherwise, it needs to be fully extended from top to bottom, or if you're wanting it short, you start at the bottom and go up. That way each individual rung is locked into place. So I'm going to drop it back down. And what we did find was that this fits really neat up against the back of the passenger seat. Up against the back. And I run a bungee cord through here and around the headrest, and it basically just snugs right up behind it. Anyway, I'll have a link for this if you want to take a look at it, but I am really pleased with it. Another addition for the Trail Manor. Hey, this is Travis and Kathy down at the Steel Magnolia.